thumbs up. Almost to the side.
There's a great rock. Yes, I'm the principal. I'm the principal.
Oh, you're on me.
Yes, now I'm on the principal.
All right.
So sweet.
I need you to get 3 things and bring them to the rugs. Oh, I haven't even said what they are yet. You're digging in your desks. Look up here and listen. You need your expo marker, your eraser, and you need to find your orange 100 chart. And you need to bring it with you to the rug. I'm looking for friends that can do this quickly and quietly. Can you go back and walk, my friend? Go back and walk. Sadie, be over here on the rug with all your supplies. He doesn't need it. He's one of the only ones that actually listen to the only 3 things that I asked you to bring. But it's okay. Okay, so. Yeah, that's fine. Can you just get a tissue? Did you look in the pencil box on you? Right. Banana split.
Yeah.
I love how Melky is sitting because he has his hands in his laps and he has all of his supplies on the ground. So he's not touching them. We'll deal with it later. I think it'll be fine today. Scrolling this a little bit. Aaliyah. Why don't you come sit like right here? I'll push this back. So you're close to me. All right. I need someone who can raise their hand that thinks they can go find our job for today. Over there. Eileen, go ahead, and I need all of your eyes to follow her over to, it starts with an N, it's at the very bottom. And today we're going to do something different. I'm going to say it, and I'm going to have you repeat after me. Okay. It says, I can use a number chart. So that I can write, scratch that. So that I can add numbers to 10.
Add numbers to 10.
Okay, so that's our job for today. But first, before we start that, I want to see if you guys can help me fill in this number chart. Now, I have some pesky little friends that are sitting on where some numbers should be. And I'm going to definitely need your help to make sure our number chart is right. So if you need help from your number chart, you can use it. But let's go ahead and do our panda first. Right here. So right here, what number is supposed to be where the panda is? Right here. 14. I want to hear it. I want my friends to quietly write it on their marker board. If you didn't bring your marker board, you can go get it, because I actually want you to have it. So LJ, go get yours. Aaliyah, go get yours. If you don't have your marker board, I changed my mind. I want you to have it, so go grab it. Well, I kind of changed my mind, so it's okay. Once you have it written, and then once you have it written down, put it up to your chest. You should not be doing any extra drawing on your marker board, or you'll lose it. Excuse me, you don't have to touch people on my head. So you can just say, excuse me. Alright, I can tell that Sawyer and Keenan are ready because they're holding their mark boards up to their chest. Alright, go ahead and show me what it should be. 14! Good. Okay, you don't have to write this one down. I just want someone to come up here, raise their hand that can come up here and help me miss this chicken. Someone raise their hand and tell me what chicken number is covering. What number is the chicken covering? Ezzy, will you go over and write, do you see the chicken down here? What number it should be? Can you write it on that line? Go ahead and put your caps back on your markers because we're not going to use them for a little bit. We're going to do this.
Are we gonna get a sheet? Are we gonna get a sheet like that? So where it's supposed to be?
All right, she said 10. Do you agree? Do you disagree? All right. I'll take your marker. Okay, you gotta find your seat. What about our octopus right here? Can someone help me figure out what should be where the octopus is? Right here. Glenn, can you help me? It's eating face this way. Eileen, can you sit crisscross, my friend? All right. Do you agree or do you disagree? All right. Someone that disagrees. Can you tell me why you disagree that he said 31 right here, Milky?
Because it was 21.
21. Where is 31? Is
31 is the down.
Is down one?
And that was left.
Glenn, do you see that? This should be 21.
Oh, yeah. Because in the book that.
What about my snake?
I mean,
The snake. Jesse, come on.
I like it.
Lots of people will get turns. Oh. Okay, look at the snake on the number chart and what number should be under the snake? What number is it hiding? 38. Do you agree with Tennessee or do you disagree? Eileen, do you agree or disagree? I agree. Good. What about the spider? The spider. Alicia, why don't you come and help me with the spider?
I have nothing to
Do you see it?
It's on the desk right now. That's what
I got it out for you, Julie.
in your marker board and release.
42. All right. Alicia says that the spider is hiding the 42. Do you agree or do you disagree? Esfon, do you agree or disagree? You agree? All right. For the elephant, let's do the rabbit first. So do you see the rabbit right here? I want you to write this one on your marker board. So what number is that one covering up? Go ahead and write it on your marker board, then put it up to your chest. What number is that pesky little rabbit covering up? I want you to write it on your marker board. I don't want to hear you. I'm looking for a quiet hand that can help me out. All right. Go ahead and show me what you've got. 66. Okay, 66. All right. What about the elephant? Elephant. Go ahead and write it on your marker board and put it up to your chest. Write it on your marker board and put it up to your chest. The elephant. I circled it up there. Write it big enough so when you hold it up, I can see it. Okay?
Am I showing?
Alright. 2 more seconds to write the number down. I don't want to see it. I want you to keep it to your chest. Alright, go ahead and hold up what you got. I see lots of 83. 83, does everyone agree it's 83?
Yeah.
83? Okay. And then the last one is, it's not a, Yeah,
I
this
know.
turkey right here.
No, I know what that is. It's a peacock.
It's a peacock. Oh, you're right. It is peacock.
It's a pink peacock.
Okay. Quietly write down on your marker what number you think this is, and I'll have someone come up and write it this time.
I know what it is.
Esteban, hold it down against your chest. I haven't said put it up yet. When you're done, put it up to your chest, just like LJ and Kian. Good job, boys. Your hand. And me? Good job. Sonia and Esteban, your voices will be off. Alright. Does someone think they can go up and write it on the board for me? Help me out a little bit, because I don't think I'm not going to call you if you're waving your hand for me. Sonia, go ahead. I wrote the wrong thing here. No one caught me. I wrote the wrong thing on the elephant. No one caught me. It's okay. I just didn't hear you say anything. Alright, once he writes it up there, I want to see if you agree or disagree. Is that 90? Okay, can you turn it? Will you grab your marker, please? And then
Come on, get your boards.
all right, I want to see if you agree or disagree with Mr. Sawyer. Do you agree with 80? Or do you disagree? I agree. I think that the peacock is covering up to 80. All right, go ahead and erase your marker board. And I want you to get out your hundreds chart. Hold it up in the air so I know that everyone has it. Oh my gosh, you should not be waving. Just like that, wave like here. Okay, holy moly! Guacamole! Okay. Alright, my friends, I need all your eyes on me. So I know that you're listening, because I'm going to teach you something kind of new. I don't know if you've done it yet. Okay, so we're going to learn, or we're going to practice writing or using our hundreds chart to answer some number sentences. So the first thing that you do to make it the absolute easiest is when we read the number sentence. So let's say the number sentence is 1 plus 4. This one, you're going to find the biggest number out of the two numbers. So which number is bigger, 1 or 4? Not the answer. Is 1 or 4 bigger? Go ahead and hold your fingers up. Is 4 bigger or is 1 bigger? See some 4s? See some 4s? Kian? No. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to go on your hundreds chart and go ahead and take your cap off of your marker, because you're going to do this with me while I do it on the board. So you should have your hundreds chart ready, and you're going to circle the 4.
For real?
Yep, for real.
We're on the hundreds chart.
So circle it on your hundreds chart.
Erase it.
We're going to erase it. Yeah, we can erase it. You're going to circle the biggest number. It will come off. I wouldn't have you circle it or mark on your thing if it wouldn't come off later. Okay?
Okay.
So circle the 4. Glenn's got his circled. So does Alicia. And then what number do we have left? 1. So we're going to count over 1 more.
1.
So what is our answer?
5.
5. Good. All right. Let's do another one. Erase what you have on your hundreds chart. All right.
getting off.
Some of my friends, I'm waiting on you in the back. This is really important. All right, we're gonna do 3 plus 5 next. So which number do we need to circle on our hundreds chart? Which number is bigger, 3 or 5? I'm looking for a quiet hand that can tell me. Eileen? 5. So go ahead and circle 5 on your hundreds chart. Circle your 5. Good. And then you're going to count how many more over? 3. So 1, 2, 3. And you're going to circle 8. 8. All right, so what's our answer on that one? 8. Good. All right, I'm going to have someone come up here and do this one for us. I'm going to move this down a little bit. You can reach it. We're going to do 2 plus 4. So I want you to do it on your hundreds chart. And when you have it all the way done, put it up in the air. And then I'll pick someone that can come up and do it. We're doing this one. 2 plus 4. Go ahead and do it on your hundreds chart. So you're going to circle the biggest number. Then you're going to add the other one on and circle that one. So I'm going to see 2. You start. All right, Esteban, can you come up here and do it on the hundreds chart for me? You can just pick up any color marker and just show us on the hundreds chart. All your eyes need to be on Esteban. He's going to circle. He's going to circle the biggest number, which is 4. So you circle your biggest number. And then you're going to count on the next 2. Know what your answer is. So 1, 2. And then circle your next one. So you circle your 4. And then your 6. Okay. All right. Go ahead and try the next one. It's 4 plus 6. So you're going to circle the biggest 6. And work. So try 4 plus 6. You're going to circle the biggest number and then count the rest on. LJ's got it. I saw his and he knows what to do. Whoever's hanging on the board needs to stop. Dylan's got it. All right, I need someone to come up here and do it on the board for me. LJ, I saw that you were doing it right. Can you do it on the board for me? Everyone needs to watch to double check and see what they Good. So do you agree with him? You disagree. Good. Okay. So some of you are getting a little lost, and that's okay. So I'm going to explain it a little bit better, but I want you to practice this with me. We're going to go back up here to 1 plus 4. And I want you to do this on your hundreds chart. So you need your marker ready on your hundreds chart. Keen, get your marker ready for your hundreds chart. So we're going to circle the biggest number, which is 4, and then leave your marker on the 4. You're on 4. You're going to make a loop for 1 to circle your 5. So you have 1 here. Does that make sense?
No.
Because you added 1 on.
No.
Yeah. So some of you that were struggling with that a little bit, if you don't remember to add on, you're going to add
Guys,
that's what I
said.
Okay. We're going to practice a couple more. I'm just going to write them up here. Oh. I'm going to write the numbers that ends up here. All right. 5 plus 2. Go ahead and do that on your hundreds chart. 5 plus 2. Tennessee. When you have it done, hold it up in the air. 5 plus 2 on your hundreds chart. Good job, Jonathan. All right, who would like to show me how they did it on the hundreds chart? Julian?
It's too high.
Too high? Okay, move it down.
Let me take a look.
That's right there.
I don't know.
All right, your eye should
On the wall.
erase that. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals 7 on your hundred chart. Okay, so I need you to put your caps on your markers.
Erase your boards.
Yep, erase your boards like LJ said. And I'm going to put all this on the floor so I can explain to you what we're going to do. Holy moly!
Guacamole!
Okay, I love how Glenn is sitting. Okay, I'm going to explain a game to you guys that you're going to be playing with a partner to help you practice this on your hundreds charts. Okay? So, what you're going to do is you're going to have 2 dice. So on your own, you just go put down S92. I can tell you're not listening.
So what's with the thing that somewhere else.
Okay, so this on the bottom is what your kind of your game sheet is going to look like, and you're going to have 2 dice.
Together.
I am waiting on my friends. I have some friends that are listening in quiet, and I feel bad for them because they're waiting on my other friends who can't get it together. After I explain this, all right, Azini and Elmo. Okay, so what you're going to do is you and your partner are going to have, each of you is going to have a dice, and you're going to roll it. 3, 5, and you're going to write those numbers in your chart. So 3 plus 5. And then you can use your hundreds chart to figure out what the answer is. I put little ones on here. They're kind of hard to see. But what number would I circle first? Esteban, what number would I circle? 5. Yep, 5. And then I'm going to add 3 on. So 1, 2, 3. So what would my answer be? 8. 8. Then you're going to write your answer here. Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, I'm going to put you into partners and we're going to work on this for a little bit. Okay. I need you to go put all of what you have right now. Wait. Put all of it back at your desk and get a pencil and then just back and sit on the rug. And I'm looking for people that can do this really quietly. Now, I have some friends that do this really well. They're
But
always sitting back on the rug.
because Miss Ward said I can't see.
What?
Because on my head it hurts. But remember, they always
Getting back on the rug. 5,
2.
4, 3. Oh, you're not even running. 2, 1. Julian, if I could clip you up anymore, I would. You are doing an awesome job. You're a young principal. If I could clip you up more, I would. You're having an awesome day. Okay. So, once I give you a partner, you're going to come and each of you is going to fill this out, okay? You're both going to do it. So you're not going to take turns, you're just going to each roll 1 dice and then write it down. And then each roll 1 and write it down. Does one person roll both the dice? No, you each get 1. You only roll yours, okay? And there's a front and a back, so just work as hard as you can to get as much as you can done. Okay. I need Glenn, I need you, and Eddie. Find a spot to work in the room quietly. We are working at a 1, so it'll whisper. Okay, so find a spot quietly. If you're not whispering in your group and you can't handle working with your group, you're just going to click down. Okay? Anna, I'm going to have you work with Marcus. You can take those and find someone quietly in the room to work at. Alicia, I'm going to have you work with Sawyer. I need Hennessy. I need you to work with, can you work with Marvin and Miss Aspen? Hennessy, can you come get your stuff? And then you guys can go find a spot to work at. Okay. Esteban, I'm going to have you work with Jonathan.
What is this?
Julian. Oh, Julian, I'm going to work with Kyrie. Leah and Yuki. Adelaide and LJ. And then Dylan, Ian, and
Roll your dice. Okay. Marvin, what's the bigger number? 5 or 2?
6. 5.
So you're gonna find 5 on the chart. And you're gonna
I'll start.
find that. See? Roll your 5. And then the 2. So how many move over? 1, 2. So your number is what? 5 plus 2 is what? Alright, roll again. Number was 6. And which one's the bigger number? Okay, so how can you find 6 on here? Okay, so how many times do you jump? What's the other number in your equation? Number you use 6 and you solve this number left. What number is that? So you need to go on here and jump on that one. Use your chart. And so you have to use the chart. So you need to jump. Okay, so Marvin. Alright, roll your dice. 4.
Now we're rolling.
3. You can see right 3. Okay, roll another. Okay, which number is bigger? Okay, so what do you do on your chart? How did you jump? Huh? Jump 3. And you circle your 6. Jump 3. That's 1.
Sure.
So you're gonna add.
Oh, well, 6 has to be 4.
Okay, so that would be your answer. Okay, so that's my bigger number. What's my smaller number, Marvin?
We have 2, 6,
6. Where are we
7.
going to jump to?
We have 2,
9. Okay, go ahead.
6.
6. We got a 6. Alright, another 6. This one's gonna be tricky. So where do you okay, and then you count over how many on the table. Okay, count over 6. So count over 6. Come on. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4.
Make sure that you guys can do these on your door charts. On Monday, when we come back, you're going to get ready to go hard.
Okay, so what's your answer?
I'll have to take a second.
Roll your dice. Twin. Play. Roll a 3. Okay. 3. So what number do you circle? 3. So then how many do you count over from 3? 3. So 1, 2, 3.
I want you to know how to do it like this. So when we make
Alright. Go back. Oh, you got that.
Alright, I need you to freeze and look at me. Okay. Aaliyah and Melky, I need you up here. Alright. I need you to bring me. Actually, take all your stuff back to your seat.
Yay!
Quietly.
Go back to your seat.
Go back to your seat quietly.
Right here.
If you have dice, leave them at your seat and I'll pick them up later. Marcus, you can click up. Anna, you can click up. Take it down and they go. You should be back at your seat. I don't know why some of you are coming up to me. Take your dice and everything back to your seat. Thank you. All right. I'm going to call you by table groups to line up for specials. I need my light leader, my door holder, my magnets person, my clipboard person.